It's my birthday, June 26, 2025, and we are at Ocean Breeze here. Nelly Bug! Got Jada Potato, Janella, Solea, and JC Poo. Hey guys! Whoa! And my booger butt, it's his birthday tomorrow, so we're celebrating ours today together. Hey sweetheart! You're having so much fun. There she is. She's supposed to be with Jaden. She lost him again.
I just told him I'll be back. We're all here for Moses' birthday.
Jasmine showed up. And I got my Jaja.
No, I forgot that's cute.
And Bebop came with, thank you, with my Carlos and my baby Chris. Can't believe everybody showed up for my birthday. All my girls. Yay, with all the babies. Look at that. Always gotta come stop and eat something. There they go on the wave pool. Jason's gone. I guess you're not swimming? You're too cute. Are you too cute to swim? Kids are having a blast. I'm so glad I decided to come here for my birthday. I'm having fun too though.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mars. Happy birthday to you.
Good job, Jay. Well, I think the day was good, but he's had enough.
He's sleepy. He's asleep.
Thank you guys for celebrating my birthday with me. Thank you for my gifts.
Happy 25th.
Yeah, 29.
Birthday, Mosey.
Thank you guys for celebrating my birthday.
You're welcome.
On three, say happy birthday, Mons. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mons.
Did you say it?
Y'all ready to go?
Did you say happy birthday?